Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. English Talks. Today we're going to learn 17 psychological hacks that make life easier, not tricks to control people, tools to control your day. These are small, science-friendly moves that reduce stress, save time, and help you do the right thing without fighting your willpower. I'll keep the English simple, give you short stories, and show you how to use each hack today. If you try even 3 of these for 1 week, your days will feel calmer and more productive. Hack 1. The 2-minute launch. Your brain hates big starts. It loves tiny starts. When a task feels heavy, shrank it to a 2-minute version. Open the document and write 1 sentence. Put on shoes and step outside. Wash 1 plate. 2 minutes tell your brain, we already began. Momentum does the rest. Mira used this to stop postponing her report. She wrote 1 sentence each morning. On day 5, the whole page was done. Today, choose 1 task and do the 2-minute version now. You'll feel your resistance drop. Hack 2. The 4 to 6 breath reset. Emotions look big when your body is tense. Slow your body and your mind follows. Inhale gently through your nose for 4 counts. Exhale longer for 6 counts. Do this 10 times. Longer exhales tell your nervous system you are safe. Ion used this before difficult calls. His voice became steady, his thoughts became clear, and the conversation went better. Use this hack whenever you feel angry, afraid, or overwhelmed. 90 seconds can change the next 90 minutes. Hack 3. If-then plans. Willpower is weak when you are tired. Pre-decisions are strong. Write simple rules that intercept bad habits. If I reach for my phone during work, then I will put it in another room and write 1 sentence. If I feel criticized, then I will ask 1 clarifying question before I respond. If I feel like skipping the gym, then I will do 5 squats and walk for 5 minutes. Arjun wrote 3 if-then rules on a sticky note and kept it on his desk. His day became easier because his future self had clear instructions. Write 1 rule now and use it once today. Hack 4. Temptation bundling. Pair something you need to do with something you enjoy. Only listen to your favorite podcast while cleaning. Only drink your fancy tea during study. Only watch your series while walking on a treadmill. Nisha hated doing dishes. She bundled it with her favorite comedy podcast. Now she laughs while cleaning. The chore got done without willpower. Pick 1 boring task and bundle it with something pleasant. Your brain will start asking to do the boring thing. Hack 5. 1 big thing mornings. Decision fatigue kills your day. Start with 1 clear win. Choose your 1 big thing the night before. In the morning, drink water, see daylight for a minute, move your body for 1 minute. Then work 20 to 45 minutes on that 1 thing with your phone away. Dev did this for 2 weeks. His best work happened before messages and meetings began. He felt proud by 9 a.m. tonight. Write 1 sentence. Tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I will do 25 minutes on task. Put it where you'll see it. Hack 6. Timeboxing sprints. Perfectionism loves open time. Deadlines create focus. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Say 1 thing only and start. When the timer ends, stand up, breathe, and take a short break. This is the Pomodoro method. Kabir used to edit videos forever. With timeboxing, he shipped more and stressed less. Try 1 25-minute sprint on your biggest task today. Stop at the bell. You'll discover that done feels better than perfect. Hack 7. The decision menu. Choices drain energy. Pre-choose simple menus for common situations. 3 breakfast options, 3 work outfits, 3 gym routines. When it's time, pick one and move. Ria created a Monday menu for lunch and a Tuesday menu for workouts. She stopped wasting time deciding and used that energy for real work. Make one menu today. Put it on your fridge or notes app. Less deciding, more doing. Hack 8. Name it to tame it. Feelings shrink when you name them. Say quietly, I feel anxious, I feel angry, or I feel embarrassed. You can also say, I'm having the thought that I will fail. This creates space between you and the feeling. Lena used this before exams. Naming the panic softened it, and she could study. Next time you feel a wave, name it and breathe 4 to 6 for 1 minute. See how your mind clears. Hack 9. The mirror sentence. People relax when they feel heard. Before giving your view, reflect theirs in one line. If I'm hearing you right, you're worried about the budget and the timeline. Zoya tried this in meetings. Arguments dropped. Collaboration rose. At home, it works too. When your partner vents, mirror their feelings first. Then ask, do you want comfort or ideas? Speak less to say more. Hack 10. The 24-hour wallet rule. Most impulse buys fade with time. When you want something non-essential, wait one day. If you still want it and it fits your budget, buy it without guilt. Mira used this rule on late-night shopping. Her savings grew, and she enjoyed the things she truly wanted more. Tonight, put one item in your cart and wait. Tomorrow, you will know your real choice. Hack 11. Environment by design. Your surroundings shape your behavior. Make good habits easy and bad habits annoying. Put your phone out of reach during work. Keep a water bottle on your desk. Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Move social apps off the home screen. Tara kept snacks on a high shelf and fruit within reach. She started eating fruit without thinking. Change one thing in your environment today to support the habit you want most. Hack 12. Default to calendar. A task without a time is a wish. Put it on your calendar with a start time and end time. Even a small slot helps. Thursday, 7:30 to 7:50. English speaking practice. Omar started scheduling small blocks and suddenly had time for everything that mattered. Open your calendar now and add one 20-minute slot for your number one goal. Treat it like an appointment with your future. Hack 13. The 5-sentence email. Long messages waste time and create confusion. Limit yourself to 5 short sentences, greeting and purpose. Key detail 1, key detail 2, the ask or next step, thank you. Use a clear subject line. Project X, revised deadline and next steps. Aisha used this format and cut her email time by half. Her replies came faster because people understood her. Try it on your next email. Hack 14. The wins file. Motivation fades. Proof stays. Keep a simple document where you paste small wins, good feedback, solved problems, numbers improved, screenshots. Ria opened her wins file before tough meetings. Her confidence returned. At review time, she didn't sell herself. She showed her record. Start a wins file today and add one line before you sleep. Your future self will thank you. Hack 15. The 10-10-10 check. Emotions push for now. Wisdom asks about later. Before you decide, ask, how will this feel in 10 minutes, 10 months, in 10 years? This quick test pulled Dev out of arguments and into long view choices. He skipped reactive messages and wrote better ones the next day. Use this on purchases, replies, and career moves. Your timeline will stretch. your stress will shrink. Hack 16. The one-line boundary. Boundaries don't need essays. A calm sentence is enough. I'm at capacity today. I can help for 20 minutes tomorrow at 11. I don't discuss private matters at work. I can do A and B within this budget. We can plan C next month. Priya practiced these lines in front of a mirror. When the moment came, she spoke softly and stopped. People respected her more because she respected herself. Choose one boundary line today and keep it once. Hack 17. The evening close ritual. Unfinished days keep your brain noisy at night. Close the loop with a 2-minute routine. Write 3 wins, even tiny. 2 lessons and 1 priority for tomorrow. Dim screens for the last hour if you can. Your sleep improves, your mornings feel lighter, and your progress becomes visible. Kabir started this ritual and felt more control in a week. Try it tonight. Your tomorrow will thank your tonight. Let me show you how these hacks look in one normal day. You wake up, drink water, step into daylight for a minute, and do the 4 to 6 breath. You open your calendar and run a 25-minute time-boxed sprint on your one big thing. During work, your phone stays in another room. When a colleague is upset, you use the mirror sentence, then plan next steps together. You use the 5-sentence email to confirm the plan. At lunch, you take a short walk and breathe slowly. In the afternoon, an urge to shop appears. You apply the 24-hour wallet rule and save the item for tomorrow. A stressful message arrives. You ride the wave, name your feeling, write the reply in notes, and schedule it for morning. In the evening, you bundle a chore with your favorite playlist. Before bed, you add 3 lines to your wins file and set one 20-minute block for tomorrow in your calendar. This is not a perfect day. It is a designed day. It feels easier because you are not fighting yourself. Your systems are working for you. You don't need all 17 at once. Choose 3 that fit your life this week. Maybe it's the 2-minute launch, the one big thing morning, and the evening close, or the 4 to 6 breath, if then plans, and the 1-line boundary. Keep them light. Repeat them daily. After 7 days, add 1 more hack. Small steps, repeated, become who you are. Right now, take 1 tiny action. Write your one big thing for tomorrow and put it on your desk. Set a 25-minute timer and do a micro sprint on something you've been avoiding. Or open your notes and create your first if-then rule. You will feel a quiet click inside, proof that life gets easier when you lead it with simple, smart moves. Thank you for spending your time with me at Mr. English Talks. Try these hacks. Share this video with a friend who needs an easier day. And tell me in the comments which one changed your week. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.